This is a quick video on the high points of GUI4Sher. There's a full presentation also available and been uploaded. But I thought it'd be good to have a really nice short little presentation. And that's what we're going here. I'm Dr. David Sher, Department of Math, Computer Science, Information Technology, NASA Community College, and my email is on the presentation. Next. Okay, the important features I want to emphasize on GUI4Sher is it's free for download. So the download, it's on page 6 of the big presentation. And you can find it also on GitHub, so it's open source. All the sources are open. In fact, it's a Python file, and it's a single Python file that creates other Python files. Uh, so you can, if you want to create your own version or want to fix something that you don't like about it, you can go, and you're a good enough program, you can go in and do it. Just watch out because there's some tricky stuff because it's involving self-modifying code. It's fun. It's got graphics and GUI in it. And it's instructive for the students. They can learn about object-oriented graphics. Okay, where they love learning about graphics, colors, lines, all that kind of stuff. It's event when we get into the GUI part, they learn about event-based programming. They and the GUI part, they learn about the various GUI widgets that are common, like buttons and text boxes and all sorts of stuff like that, checkboxes, that kind of stuff. And when I teach, and we also have lists in there so they can learn about sequencing. And the only, so that is why you should look at the bigger presentation. And I'm going to just stop here. So that's my 2-minute take on why GUI4Sher is cool.